All right, day one of the demo. Let's go see what we're looking at here. Got a nice fireplace, state-of-the-art brickwork around the fireplace and the insert there. Here we got our beautiful kitchen, quality flooring. Probably won't even have to change that. Nice backsplash, that's definitely staying. Bedroom one. The tenants like to come through the ceiling, so there's that. Bedroom two. Carpet probably just needs a quick vacuum. It'll be good to go. Slap some paint on here. And then try not to fall through the floor here. Beautiful bathroom. Toilet just needs a cleaning. Same with the tub. Again, nice shag carpet. Quick vacuum. Nice added mold there. Oh, the furnace is good though. And we got nice and warm in the house today. 32 degrees. Awesome. All right. So today, we're gonna start with the kitchen. Try to demo the kitchen, get the cabinets up and out of here. Access that panel. There's no electricity in the house right now, so no plumbing, no electricity, no gas. It's all off. Maybe try to tear some of this paneling down. Start exposing these walls and see what we're working with. So check back in a little bit and we'll see where we made progress. So that wraps it up for today. Got the whole kitchen demoed. Plywood walls. Nice feature. Lots of air conditioning to the crawl space, which is just great. Ice inside the house. Always a nice feature. Definitely gonna have to frame out this wall, but lots more to go. Garbage piled up here. We'll bring a dumpster next time we demo. Haul it all away. Definitely gonna keep that window air conditioner. Super nice feature. Definitely add value to the house. Wood burning stove. Got to add at least $5,000 to the value. I don't know what that was. Next up, the bedrooms. Fortunately, no plywood in these rooms, but that's all right. Nice bathroom again, just a quick cleanup. It'll be good for resale. Vacuum and clean the carpets. Maybe a coat of paint. We'll be ready to go. So, see you on the next one. Like we said, next day back. Be some more demo. Bring a dumpster, haul it away. One of the bonuses of owning a dumpster company is being able to bring your dumpsters when you need them. And one more feature. Nice mirror, check in every day. Nice outfit. Definitely don't even need to wash it. Good for another couple demo days. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one.